lovely people, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm going to share with you how to make Indian chicken curry, which is so tender it is absolutely delicious and has a great fragrance. So let's get started. Start by seasoning 500 grams chicken breast with salt on both sides. Then heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over high heat. Add the chicken in and cook it until completely browned. Set the chicken aside and reduce the heat to low. Next, chop one large onion and add it to the same skillet. Stir for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the crushed garlic, minced ginger, tomato paste, dried chilies, but this one is an optional, you can skip it if you don't like spicy. Give a stir for a couple minutes, then add the curry powder, ground turmeric, ground coriander, ground cumin, cayenne pepper, garam masala, and stir them for 1 minute. Next, add the tomato puree, plain yogurt, and stir this together with the spices. Add some water, then season with some salt, white pepper, and sugar. Give a little stir and put the chicken back to the skillet. Coat the chicken pieces evenly with the curry sauce. Then cover the skillet and simmer the chicken for about 20 minutes. Chop 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro and sprinkle over the curry. Serve the chicken with yellow rice and fresh squeezed lemon juice. Here I have a delicious Indian dish which is every bite like a big party in my mouth. So make sure you give a try and leave a comment how do you think of it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want the recipe, check out the link below over my website LoveThatBite.com. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get a new update video. I'll see you next time. Bye!